Want to create a team in Microsoft Teams with Copilot Studio? I'll walk you through step-by-step in a live demo and reveal Microsoft's latest restrictions and policy changes you must know. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams using the Copilot Studio Agent step by step. So let's get started. This is my demo agent I created. For this agent, I will go with the new model, which Microsoft just launched. For that, from your agent settings, go to the Generative AI section, then go to the Model Selection section. There'll be two new models, GPT-5 Auto, Experimental, and GPT-5 Reasoning, Experimental. Both these models are new. Microsoft just launched them. You may not see these in your tenant yet, but you'll get to see them soon. I'm going with this GPT-5 Auto Experimental model. This is what I did in this model configuration. Then, I want to configure the tools I need. What are the tools I need to create a team? Here I have used the Create a Team and Get a Team tools. How did I add them? For that, from the Tools menu, I went to Add a Tool. Then I went to Microsoft Teams Connector. From here, I can see all the actions related to the Microsoft Teams connector. If you notice, these are nothing but the actions from the Power Automate Flow Microsoft Teams connector. So, if you have worked with Power Automate Flow Microsoft Teams actions, these won't be new to you. For my demo to create a team, I have used here Create a Team and Get a Team tools. So you can select the Create a Team tool here. Then go with the Add and Configure. Then your tool will be added. This is how I have added. I'm not going to add this again, as I already added this. So in the Create a Team tool configuration, what I did is, I didn't do anything. I just went with the out-of-the-box configuration. The team name is dynamically filled with AI. The descriptions are also dynamically filled with AI. You will be asked to enter the team name and description, and then automatically your team will be created in Microsoft Teams. Similarly, I added this Get a Team and configured it. Here also, I went with the out-of-the-box configuration. This is the team ID that will be passed automatically by the AI. So you can see dynamically fill with AI. Now I am done with these tools configuration. And if you notice, I haven't configured any prompts in the instructions section, because AI will decide when to execute which tool dynamically. However, you may configure some instructions here to have better control of the execution of your tools. Now let's test this agent. Now, I'll start testing my agent. I just said hi to initiate my chat with my agent. Then passing something like, please help me to create this team test 002 in Microsoft Teams. Right, then I'll just hit enter. Let's see what's happening. Please provide an optional description for the team. I've passed. This is for testing. You can see the team name is automatically captured and passed in the team name input parameter. I am passing this description. This is for testing, right? Let's send this. Now it is being processed. Yes, we can see the message. The team test 002 has been successfully created in Microsoft Teams with the description, this is for testing. Well, now my team is created. Now I'll ask, please give me the details of the team I just created test 002. Let's see what happens. Now I will get all the details of my team I just created. Before that, it is asking, please provide the team ID to get the Microsoft Teams details. Here the good thing is, the AI has populated all my teams that I have access to, so that I can select the team I need the details for. I'll just select Test 002 here. Now it is being processed, and I can See all the details of my team here. Like team name, test 0002, and this is the team description. This is the ID. This is created date, visibility as public, archived as no. Owners count 1 and members count 1. All metadata related to my team I get to see from here. And this is the URL of my team that also I can access from here. Now, I'm just going to open my new team link. I'm opening my team web link. It is loading now. It takes a couple of seconds to set this up. And yes, this is the team I just created for my Copilot agent. How nice, isn't it? And thanks to Microsoft for integrating this feature in Copilot Studio. Now I will deploy this Copilot agent to Microsoft Teams. This is a prerequisite before deploying. However, I'll not be able to publish it, as per the Microsoft policy change on September 17, 2025. Until that time, users with a trial license for Copilot Studio were able to publish Copilot agents, but since September 17, 2025, Microsoft has stopped it. As per the new policy, you should have a proper user license. For details, refer to the Microsoft article published on September 17, 2025 shown on the screen. Let me show you what I mean here. Let's publish this agent. Once you click on the Publish button, you will get this warning message. There are open issues with your agent. You currently do not have a user license that allows you to publish in Copilot Studio. Please contact your administrator to upgrade your license or enable the necessary permissions. You can notice here the Publish button is disabled. This is a new restriction set by Microsoft. Due to this change, I cannot publish this agent. So let's cancel it now, and though I couldn't publish it, I'll show you after publishing what you need to do. First, click on the channel's menu link. I'll just click on this. Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channel. Based on your agent authentication setting, you can see the channels that are enabled for your configured authentication. Let's see what the authentication type I have configured for this agent is. From your Agent Security section, you will get your Agent Authentication Configuration section. Here you can see the authentication is Authenticate with Microsoft. It is Intra-ID authentication in Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Power Apps, or Microsoft 365 Copilot. So now I'll go ahead and select this Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channel. Once I click this, I'll be taken to the Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot panel screen. There I can see this message. You need to publish your agent before you can make it available to others. So click on the Publish link. As I already explained, due to the recent changes for Microsoft, I can't publish this agent, as I am using the trial version of Copilot Studio. After you publish your agent, you can configure more channel settings, like sharing and configuration details. If you have a licensed version of Copilot Studio, you can publish your agent. Then click on the Add Channel link. After that, you will be able to open your agent from Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Watch my detailed video on how to integrate Copilot agent with Microsoft Teams with custom authentication. The link is given in the comment. So, this is how you can create a team from the Copilot Studio agent and deploy your agent to the Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 Copilot channels. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to create a team in Microsoft Teams using a Copilot Studio agent, along with understanding the new publishing limitations. If this video added value, please consider subscribing to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. I'll keep bringing you more practical tips and step-by-step guides on Copilot, Power Platform, Power Automate, and SharePoint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.